Hey students, Mark here again with another video for you guys. Today we're going to review the conditionals of English, right? For this video, I'm going to cover the zero conditional and the first conditional. But to start off, I want to think, what is a conditional? Well, a conditional in English is when we have some situation and we want to try to say the result of the situation. To do that, we have two pieces of the sentence. We have if for the situation, and then we have the result on the other side of the sentence. For example, we'll start with our zero conditional. These are special conditionals that are always true. So, if you say, if you heat ice, if I heat ice, or if I leave ice outside in Singapore, it melts. The ice changes to water. This happens every single time I leave ice outside. Okay, if you heat ice, it melts. Also, I don't have a son, but I can say as a parent, if my son does a good job, I praise him. This situation, always true. Maybe this is an American parent, right? Every time the kid does a good job, they get praised by their parent. Okay? So that's, again, something that's special, always, always true. Do you praise your children if they do a good job? Does it happen every time? Then you'd be using the zero conditional. Now we'll go down to the first conditional. The first conditional is something that is possible in the future. If my son does a good job, I'll praise him. This situation is not always true, not every time. This is for his test on Thursday. His test on Thursday, if he does a good job on his test on Thursday, I will praise him. Or another example, if I have time, I'll do my English homework tonight. Not every time, but this specific time. If I have time tonight, if I have time tomorrow. Specific time, something possible for my future. We've changed it a little bit, right? Zero conditionals, we use present simple both times for something always true. If it's only possible, not always true, we use present simple with if, but the second half of the sentence, we call this the main clause of the sentence. This will use our will. If, present simple, will, plus something we call the infinitive. The infinitive is the form of the verb that doesn't have any changes. It's the original form. Some people say the naked form. It doesn't have any changes to it. Same for this one, right? Have, present simple, then will, plus our infinitive. So to practice these, I have a question for you. What will you do if you have some free time tonight? If you have free time tonight, what will you do? Will you study English? Will you watch a movie? Will you, right? You think about that situation. If you have free time, what will you do? What result for you? So for our students, I hope this helped so you could see the difference between the zero and first conditional. And other than that, make sure you subscribe, comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you next video.